I want to see these tears stop. All right? Can I have a lollipop so we can give her something to suck on? And you seem like you have a fever. You're hot. Ni mgonjwa? Au ni vile hiyo stress, ha? So, Jessica, tumekuja hapa kwa sababu juzi ulifika. Can you open this for me? I don't even know why they tie these lollipops in such a way that you can't even get the sweet out. So, Jessica, tell me something. You came to Charter Hall, all right? How did you know I was there?
I heard that you are there giving people Passaris.
Who told you?
It's my guardian.
Oh, your guardian told you. And then how did you get to KICs? How did you get to town?
He gave me fare.
She gave you fare. Asante, mami. Asante kwa kumpatia fare. So, first of all, sorry that you lost your daddy, right? And she's your guardian, and I'm going to be your mama now, okay? All right? I know you didn't know your mommy because she left, right? But I'm going to be your mommy now. So when the children in school ask you, who's your mama? You say, Mheshimiwa Passaris, okay? And I'll be coming when you're having your events in school, all right? So now you're not, you have a mama, okay? All right? Now we're going to leave here today, right now. You're going to get into my car, and we're going to go and buy the uniform. Where are we buying the uniform?
We're going to buy at Uhuru Market. You can buy in Uhuru Market, yes.
Okay. I mean, is okay? Uhuru Market. So we go into the market, we buy, we fit. They have all the uniforms. You got, mommy, you gonna list. You gonna list. Okay, let me have your list. So you are going to give your guardian a hug, right? And tell her you will see her at half term, all right? Okay. So we've already paid. Tushalipa shule. Tumelipa term moja. Okay. Now, my darling, you got 200 and I don't have my glasses. 280. I'm proud of you. You passed the 50% mark. And I'm sure you would have done better, much, much better, if you had no interruption in your studies. Okay? So now you're not going to have interruption in your studies. Okay? So you're going to study very hard. Now, were you there when Bathsheba was talking, giving her testimony? She went to the same school. Did you see how well she spoke? Did you see how confident she was? I want you to be the same. All right? Now, mommy, does she need all this in school, really? Her birth certificate and stuff. I don't want her to lose some of the things that are important. Huh? Hii ndio certificate ya shule. Yeah? Hii ndio Our Lady of Mercy. Sasa, uniforms iko wapi? List ya uniforms? Okay. Wow, you're going to be so smart. Now, hii ni birth certificate. Do we need the original birth certificate at the school?
Yes. Then we'll do a copy when you're there.
And then we'll come back with it.
Yeah.
Tutakuregeshea ino. Okay? Hata kama si leo, Cecilia atakuregeshea. So, we have a copy here of the birth certificate. All right? So, we have a copy, we have everything. All right? So, this is Oxford mathematical set. All this will have to go with the stuff. So, what we do is, let's go shopping. All right? You want to change? You want to wear something else, or you're okay the way you are? You okay? You want to change? You're okay, right? All right. So, my darling, huh? I want happiness. The tears I want to see from your eyes are tears of happiness, okay? And another thing, you heard what I told Bathsheba, right? A lot of children go to school, and then they start getting boyfriends when they're on holiday, and then they get pregnant, and then they don't finish school. You're going to promise me that you're not going to get pregnant until you finish university, all right? All these boys are going to lie to you, tell you you're beautiful, use you, and in the end, they're going to dump you. All right? And you're going to be another statistic called single mother. I don't want that for you. What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a journalist.
A journalist. So you're going to end up in mass communication. All right? So now, if you're going to be a journalist and you're going to go and give a sad story, you're going to end up crying. So you're going to learn to be strong. Yeah? You're going to learn to be strong. All right? And you're going to really touch God. All right? You know, your father is gone, right? But God is there, all right? And you can still talk to your father, all right? Because the spirit is somewhere with God, all right? And you have to, my darling, you have to, every time you have a problem, you just say, God, I need you, all right? One of the things that we're going to buy her, do you have a Bible? All right, we're going to buy her a Bible, a simple Bible for her, all right? I really want you to just get close to God, all right? And you know, when you want to talk to God, you just talk to him like you're talking to your guardian here. All right? You just say, God, I'm here. You know me. All right? This is what I'm having a struggle with. I need your help. All right? And every prayer that you make to God, you say, in Jesus Christ, I pray. All right? We have to go through Jesus Christ. Are we together? All right? So, are they allowed phones in that school?
I don't think so.
All right. Do you have a phone? Okay. So, let's find out and get you settled first in school, okay? Mami, tutakuacha. Nitakuchukulia picture. Uko na WhatsApp kwa simu yako? O ni mulika. Uko na WhatsApp? Sawa, nitakutumia picture nikuoneshe amefika shuleni vizuri, alafu Cecilia atakuonesha pale ile shule iko. Okay, I want you to have this lollipop. All right? I eat lollipops as well. Let's go. Let's go. Shopping time. Hair combed. Is there a salon somewhere we can just braid her hair? Do we braid your hair so that you have at least a style? Do you have a bra? You do. All right. So that's the uniform. Okay. It's not tight, huh? Do they have a choice of skirt and trouser?
You go with both.
Or you have
For the weekend.
okay, trouser and a skirt. Do you have a salon in this building?
No, maybe outside.
Outside? Get your hair done lines up. All right. Okay. So let Cecilia come, then she'll take you to get your hair done lines. Then we're waiting for the shoes and socks. Shoes and socks. These are her socks. Huh? The shoes, okay. So we have another student coming. So I'm giving you 2 students. Okay, 30,000 per student. I'm going to actually do something. I'm going to ban school uniforms in Kenya. I'm going to stop school uniforms in Kenya. These children cannot afford school uniforms. Europe, this is a colonial mentality for us to wear uniform. They go to school with their home clothes, they just buy sporting gear. You go into fashion. We won't keep you out of business. A tailor is a tailor, you'll make whatever, but this is crazy. How does any child in the slum afford 30,000 shillings for uniform? It's impossible. Greece banned uniforms. American schools don't wear uniforms. Some schools in London don't wear uniforms. France don't wear uniforms, and the students study. So they go to school with your home clothes. I mean, I'm sorry that I'm saying this in a school shop, but 30,000 is just ridiculous. I mean, I don't know whether it's the cost of the fabric. Are these fabrics not local? You wouldn't know that. So
No.
it's not your shop.
No.
You just work here.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So, on a research, on a motion, on a bill, Kenya needs to ban school uniforms. It's a colonial mentality. Only the English, and even in England, schools are banning uniforms. It's a British mentality. We don't want school uniforms. Military can wear uniforms. Army can wear uniforms. School children can wear their home clothes and go to school, and they only need sporting uniform. That's it. No more school uniforms. We need to ban school uniforms because it's ridiculous. How can a child and a poor family afford 30K? It's crazy. It's crazy. Unless we get NYS to make these uniforms and we give them to the schools and we have one standard uniform and we get it to a low price of 2, 3, 4,000 shillings for a child. This is crazy. So I'm going to pay you 60,000, 61,200. 61,200. You can't give me a CSR discount. Hakuna CSR discount. Okay, sawa. Wapi pesa yangu? Aki. My father is happy in heaven, knowing that I'm looking for money to keep his name alive. Aya. 1, 2. Hata hiyo 600 huwezi kugonga. Aya, wacha 30K. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 30. Count. Weka hii hindi. Tugojee ule mwanafunzi mwingine afike. Unajua unachukua pesa yangu yote 30K. Give me a receipt written to Passaris Foundation. All right? And then we wait now for the other student. Where you're going to go, Jessica? You're going to go and have your hair done, huh? I want your hair done so you look nice in school. Come.